Hey, memory dano matumbo asia fa me ho. Me se me call him away je naming no. Say na last week mum no ye. Can you imagine?
The ultimate year ho no.
Enti na wonim.
Oh, send me chese madwan koso.
Ba wan hwe date no.
Ba madwan nyina ne say Saturday we you na matumbo ase. Matume bo asia fa me ho say song e.
Ne abo tricking shot.
Oh, him afacha me man shada. Oh.
Asemu.
Shebe papa.
Bibia be kama. Bibia be kama.
Enye him man himself don't know.
Oh, where je? Facha me. Na ne pepese no. I am free as me.
No.
Every bibia fine.
Aji baby
fine. Fine.
We had daily graphic animu ha. I don't know what they are. And was say House of Chiefs, and I say one master controversy. Or chihine ejina baby, or jia ho sujina baby, and will be a canasem. Or chihine no jia ho as woman no ewo kwan baako so. And Kamia Kwako as a president ya wada National House of Chiefs na no togbe afede. Ya wotoso edunsia, ono so ewo ekwan baako so. Ni nyina ne se wo say togbe afede de krata aba abonten so say National House of Chiefs. E kire se abaye ba beto no. Ghana for to know, my woman 2 years, and I him for I can say me a new so a dibia basse, a National House of Chiefs no, woman here for Womusia da bay. Woman drinks as same way who da bay, almost 1 minimum hoshe. So one more pennies who know now walk can know woman pennies who, woman say some no dear, woman nim hoshe. It's no daily graphic the Bocratano, Eddie Munsem Abba. Now Professor Adai and our crata effect to do sia. Woe 2 for say. And SHS and universities, yes, CBA can and technical schools, yeah, Ghana, and Canada, so yes, they acquire technical university. Was in ye no nehia. Akwadane dachi wa woman swim bet me jina ne naswa. If asase no primary school no, was a foundation no for pem no anya papa. Dia wo beya wo so no nyina kwa sika hunu na abeto aguo. Ne saso ntina the National Chairman Man National Development Planning Commission. Professor Stephen Adai. Wade so woman swim hyehyefo no anim sese wo hyehyɛ bibi no wapebi papa bia magana woman swim. De ehia pa se wo sa wo ye ene se wo bebisa se so ase ho no primary school baby ankwada ne tena nnua so ene sua de no primary school baby ankwada ne nyama techem ene kokko sua de no primary school baby ansuo mu na ankwada na pon wontumi nkonko sua de no primary school baby ankwada no ebititi abo so ena esua de no de na ye beboa ama enkwada no enya dache papa eno enehia enti the bokra atayi e de aba say the way era Professor Adai was he entwe yani enkohwe ho we graphic ene dia
so ma me na fe say observer so ahemfo ide ya no
Ghanaian observer
so many opening Andrews Bedi Akon administrator of National Association of Local Authority of Ghana Nalaga and Dwaso e da Bedi Akon teme nka ma che
Me Joso mini anete say.
Oh himba me hu yaro do na onzo e.
Nyame na domo ye ho ye.
Correct pa. Abaya ye be kwa kwato referendum ya ye kwi. Waye ni ma me na kire mi mo e bi afa na obi ti obi kura nyante ade na ye kwa ne kura ase. Referendum no ye kwato den ti na ye referendum no.
Yo me da wase bebre na mafasa akwan so achia watifo nyina. Referendum no the ama referendum na ba musisi ya no o se enema no ye mienu enti ese na for etie ne yi na ye hunu se na de sem no sitie the etie ne se the edikan no ye article 2431 ya eno no emma omampani tumi se amandc se wo Ghana ye 260 no on na wo tumi e wo constitution mu se wo tumi e power na o power no wi a ye de o akwa assembly na assembly members na akwa akoto o so aba na ya confirm mo na o ma be ye either DC metropolitan municipal or district na the tier say enam say omampani na adwen ne say opese yen to aba e wo say nipa no so ntino o de sa amra na e makwan say yen to aba ana say omampani na betumi ayi amandcs no o de yen ko parliament enti no ye parliament adwuma na ye so moye na mo de akofa referendum na ba musisi ana say the decision na say view no e wo ho ne say e ba say ye kwa akoto aba akoyi eye amandc na ye ka ho asentisi ya na kwan ben na ye fa so aye kwa akoto aba no na akofa referendum na ba musisi ya no de nsusuye na e wo ho ne se say if I say it's to about MNDCs there, any partisan, my political parties, emblem. Because political parties no ebamwa, and on the year Article 55.3 no. Because Article 55.3 ne was here no. Emma a say political parties able to me share elections in them no elections at a local level no political parties no they are not supposed to be there. And this say amend Article 2431 no our parliament. Na eba say ye kwa koto omo so aba. Then the elections na part of the local level elections. And this a local level elections, not just local level elections, so political parties embamudia. Not definitely no. I 55 now, yeah, amended. I say amended in the way say political parties na bum. She said, Minia, the two say, see, I say Ghana for me question me be so money say. Ye elections of MNDCs and I say yempe. O bisa ni pa bi so ye nemo ye non partisan. Then non partisan no na move ko ani mo bisa say okay. Say mo pe na mo pe say be partisan. Why be na ye fast why yes elections no without the involvement of the political parties. Sa kwase we me ma bisa several times obi antumi answer.
But I ain't say you. Say you call parliament to create that you were independent candidate to ho. I binuma anwene pain. You were yenya independent presidential candidates bebre ewo ho. Ain't me massa say you biam so be an contest ya enya party lines. Now be able to file with the electoral commission. Very
good.
Is that not possible?
Can you imagine the chaos that that system will bring?
How?
Yes, the assumption is that Obia who finds out to Ababiano, and who finds say to Abayino. And the Ubeko district back, about 1,000 people will pick from saying MNDC.
Are we therefore saying, sir, with this referendum, after the referendum, any maybe a person contest as an independent candidate?
You can contest.
So what if NDC, MPP, PNC, CPP, all the political parties fill their candidates? Then about 20.
How many political parties do we have in Ghana? So say, at least let's assume that we can get about 20 political parties.
What are you for 5?
Yeah, for 5.
Active ones 5.
But
my question now what to say. See, you have 5 political parties. That's all. When you have 15 independent candidates, what will happen?
Nobody will prevent any independent candidate from going.
So therefore, without it being political, people can still file.
I understand you, but you my point now. Me making look. Say CIA was assembly elections now. Political parties, they are not supposed to be involved. Pay the 55-3. Are the political parties involved or they are not involved? They are involved clandestinely. That is why Ubeko baby party back for electoral area back. The party sit down, call the two, talk to them, and tell them they will step down. Now we are going to say MPP and I believe NDC. That is what is happening. The political parties are aware. That is what they are doing.
No, but we agree, sir. They are politics, no, baby.
That's right.
But to make it that open, yeah, na ye kase Ghana, ye bibia, ye the politics room, me ye bibia essay. Will be a phone line say Ghana, ye politics na ye net saying ye beka choso enye kra. Esuro hai kra na ye si enyi. Na ye mana kwa ko si form ho dia. And then say na bibia je egu no.
No, the say. One who say minua ye kwa ye nim no. Adie bia obeye bia no loss bia obeye bia no problem bia obeye bia no there will be some challenges. When you move forward, then you begin to address the challenges that will come out. But the thing is, look, obia obeka say your politics, I say a man for air kontokwa and a man for say engineer make say yem pese beto almost abadia yem status ko remain. Say you cast political parties, so they are not supposed to be involved. My brother, can you imagine say even assembly members elections, assembly members or more control resources at local level, no, the parties are there. And you are telling me the MMDCs who control resources at district level, no, the parties will sit down on consent that they will not be there.
Have we thought about this issue of sabotage, this issue of winner takes all attitude, and where your politics him say? For example, Edukumi wo NDPQ party wa mwene waye Sechua MC Sechua contested Sechua so PPP sorry say my kobo PPP SSS political party Sechua so ne party e wo opposition or per se eba power DC is also onya betraso pepepa on a year head of the District Security Council.
Yes.
What do you think would happen?
There will be consequential amendment to most of our local governance laws. That is the issue now.
But
yes, but it is there. All of them will come. There will be another law where about regularizing all these. Captain. Look, the are we looking at our personal interest or we are looking at the development of the district? Obi a we DC and MC ye nyina na ye choman na ya kasa se we not so boy mine. So now we have a political party that has one power as president, and we have other political parties among DC. So are we saying that you call constituency level MPs na wo no ye wo MPP opposition and in power ye wo NDC opposition but are you telling me say about some release MPs common fund e dey ama MPs and no release MPs health fund e dey ama MPs government in power no always look at those MPs from his side and neglecting those who are in opposition. That is no
one of the things say shed and so say see akura ye wo hoi obekọ district bi MPP na what power MP oho ye NPP ni president na bo MPP ni a oho din say ombeye MCE even this we bedru hono na ntokwa oho enti se sa na tia ademom na ye pese ye dipin ntokwa no to put NDC MP MPP DC MPP MP or NDC DC
mini ati example now o man no crack say my parties no be my na beboa look nhwehwemu a ya kra wo sisi akra e kire se ukọ assemblies na ebi o ha presiding member no from NDC DC from MPP MP from NDC omukwa no omu ya adwuma ma omu adwuma no ekwaso say omu nyina free the same political party no I am telling you it's a fact ubekọ no se party ba ko na wo power MP ni MPP ni a o akonya sisi a NDC my friend MNDC no ye MPP ni presiding member no MPP ni obekọ no omu kontokwa but ukwa baby a MP no NDC DC no obi a ofri a government rule no omu tumi ye adwuma ma yi and the question is identity na parliament both opposition and those in government and your member want to man for come on saying it's about 3% of the job that they do in parliament to year adwuma bom na mo ye say you the state level there and then say DC no free aban mu na the MP free also free opposition to omu tumi ye adwuma bom and ye adwuma say ye nyina ya tia say democracy no ba bia ye do sisi ya no ye ko enim na say ye tumi move further we should move it ntibi ma ye mechanics is here say yem pesa ye be elections of women DC ya yan kan sa ne mo mampani enkoyi sa bill na e parliament 243 no free parliament na yan tram say ye tie ya na ye to ababia me kwa non partisan na ye ka ho that level parliament as a captain look ukwa assembly bia me ka say ukwa assembly no person ohunu amanyo ku a assembly members no feel ba men ko bisa DC bisa technical class no mo ye adwuma assembly no on betimi appoint obia assembly member bia ne party ofin ba. That's what the partisan nature of the assembly is in existence. Look, president in the DC no you know quite ben e fa you know party constituency level and no opa no what no application no the cover constituency chairman no more transfer no more everything no so nipa ye nyo mo yemfa 3 enko akra na yenko yi baako no mo de mo ko na mampani ahwe na wa yi baako enti are you telling me that DC you know he's not partisan yet to abanu we are emrano sere mo mampani kwa say otumi about 30% of the members of the assembly ka nipa na obo mo no enka nipa constitution no ya adwene mu de nkenti en so yemfa nipa bi omo wa experience with this area yemfa experience in free na yemme omo meka 70% na ya to abayi omo electoral area no na omo me constitute assembly no but what do we see assembly no parties mienu ya omo Ghana since 1992 no they have abused that system obi the party office obi a constituency secretary obi a constituency chairman these are the people who constitute the 30% and you are telling me that is non-partisan do you know why sometimes company board DC begin say enkoto ne so aba ye beto ato ye nya da this company withdraw no company pa foforo ba
all right
because the assembly is partisan. Assembly to
when you sure say to your muntu entra because I know more demanding.
Money creation and more case be that level. One case we ya no ha. Me boa. Say the other see ya no crown and yet to almost people are paying their way out. That's what we are saying. And you say if that is what you are saying there. Now at the end of the say the other see ya no ya that's am why na. Who person no one that's what. And yeah can say Ghana for your president any MNDCs not there. It should be partisan because the parties will not sit down on consent. They will be there. They will be involved. And on the issues more than the and they will sanitize the system. To the say, I don't mess with baby away electoral area and I say district why. Me kwa funny family and any family and some of mobi NDC then. That be MPP only the same thing.
All right.
We are the candidate 111 nebeba. E basana system no ye be sanitize. Na mo say yem pese. Ye be to ba yi MNDC no. Na ye mani nyina what to say. And ye mana ye bu ha na ye gusu ache no. And the sia no ye say yen ti ase ne ye man brabo to no. This is what the system is. And yen pay one day before the date. So we can do a thorough discussion on this. I will be very
be on this level. Thank you so much. Andrews Bedia Queen Administrator of National Association of Local Authority of Ghana. You try to see from the Nalak.
Mamefa Ghanaian Observer Frenchim na Ghanaian Observer ahemfo say some ama no homene so a ni nyina afa abato insensem ho ene wo de ababetoa na mampanyine nene ya hye de fugu fita ne ahye de chefita se sedie edi ama no ye frere dagbon mortina abudani the first dagbon mortina abudani the first kadumachi dagbon mortina abudani the first so wakodamba fashe na wakoye na ne yese modern bo awopo a watimi aboa ma dagbon ne mpotem asomdwe timi abantri sese de ye de sadi ne ye de ama no sese oboni din nana adodankwa akufu ado ana de asoso dagbon mortina abudani the first Ghanaian Observer nsem bika we ho ene ne wode aba
nana ye kona ene eye madam for birthday ye Eunice wo no na APRO e wo Lands Commission ene na woda ena Mrs Ochiami amoakoda kwa ene ne birthday
come be kind message now asend am
edoso Ochiami message odi ama na ready utim sa dance mafia ene agro ni hono
say I know that you do so much to take care of the kids and me. Sometimes I forgot to thank you. On this birthday, I hope I can show you how much you mean to me and how grateful I am that you are my wife. Enjoy this special day, my wife. Mina Mwako Dakwa, happy birthday from Wachami Mwako Dakwa.
Auntie Mrs. Kwadwa Mwako Dakwa, Mina, happy birthday. And I Unisa J. Yankopon Winsha one yoke.
Frenchman, a driver, so multimedia Frenchman. And then the birthday. Wow. Mon ami. Happy birthday, Kessie Pan, Frenchman.
Would you be at the birthday open so?
And I say,
party, no, now I am a Frenchman.
Oh, mammy,
the one is here.
I know when you'll be.
Could you turn your party?
Oh, party, I say.
On your party.
Maninja, the all can do any party that
man, yes, sir. And no one didn't and one is every sister.
Oh, no, mammy, no, any party that. But no party will feel why I know on Kahu, but on here.
A Frenchman, some year was a Frenchman party. One hour, I am a Frenchman, now Frenchman, I'm more big.
And yes, no.
And I say, Shannon Sumama said DBS roofing sheets, some estate, Vitamilk.